Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be seeing 3 features in Windows, so let's get started. The first feature is how to insert emojis in your Word documents, messages or mails. So let's see how to go about. You can add emojis by pressing the Windows key plus product key or semicolon, which is simply Windows key plus full stop or Windows key plus semicolon. When you press Windows key plus full stop, the emoji window will appear in front of you. It has all the emojis which you want. Select the one which you want and click on it, so it will get added. For example, this smiley emoji. It will get added as you keep on clicking. This is how you add emojis to a Word document, messages or mails. Now we will see the second feature, which is slide to shutdown feature. The slide to shutdown feature will let you shut down your PC by simply dragging a screen. To enable the feature, go to your C drive. After going to your C drive, now go to Windows, File, Windows folder, then System 32, enter. Now here you have to type SLIDE, slide. Now you have this application slide to shut down. Send it to your desktop. Now you'll have this application created as a shortcut over here. Double click on it. Now you have this picture in front of you. Click at the bottom of the picture and drag it down. When you drag it fully down and leave the mouse button, the PC will shut down automatically. So this is how you use the feature slide to shut down in your PC. The third feature for today is snipping a screen. To snip a screen, you need to press Windows key plus Shift plus S. Now you have this in front of you. When you select the first option, it is a rectangular snip option. You can select the area by dragging your mouse. The second feature is freestyle. You can select whatever you want in any shape. The third feature is the Windows snap option. This option will snap the window in front of you which you are using without the taskbar, so the taskbar won't be seen in the picture. The last one is full snip. It captures the whole screen with the taskbar included. So these are the 3 features which we saw today. Thank you for watching the videos. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.